Assalamu alaikum and good morning. What a beautiful tree it is. Green leaves and red leaves. Amazing. Guys, what is the place? It is not America, it's not Canada. It's in Bangladesh, Dhanmoori Lake. I'm now at Dhanmoori Lake. Every morning I see the tree. I plan to make a video, but Alhamdulillah, now I'm making the video. What is the color of the tree? Can you imagine? Within few days, the old leaves will fall down and the spring is coming. New leaves will grow. Okay, the green leaves turned into red color. It looks amazing. It looks very beautiful. Whenever we see something amazing, beautiful, extraordinary, then we can say Alhamdulillah. Please make videos in English and speak in English, and automatically you will be a fluent speaker in English. Thank you from Dhanmoori Lake.